Hello everyone, we're having these cookies and cream Twix. It comes with 4 of them in there. It's a king size and we're gonna share. Can I get somebody to open that for me? Thank you.
I'm gonna open it from the side. Put them all out?
Yes, let's put all 4 of them out. So see how many's in there, how big they are. Okay, try one. Get one. Cheers. Look at the inside. Cookies and cream. Oh, that's good. Go take a try of that. Oh, that one is good. What you think? Take a look at that. The cookie inside. Go try that at your nearest store. Cookies and cream Twix. Bye.